Hey everybody, so as you can see, I finally made the Caramel Frappuccino Starbucks inspired. So I'm going to take you through and show you how it's done. Let's get started. Let's take a peek at the ingredients we'll be using to make our drink. I wanted to make sure my coffee was really strong, so for this tutorial I chose the espresso dark roast from Starbucks. The caramel sauce by Tarani I found at my local TJ Maxx for about $3. The caramel syrup I picked up from Starbucks. I use xanthan gum for thickness. You'll need 1 cup of whole milk and 2 cups of ice. So now, let's make coffee. To start our brew, I'm going to pull down the lever here so that I can place my mug right beneath the drip spout. Remember, when making this drink, you want to use specialty so that the coffee is concentrated.